The first is around IT/OT cloud convergence. And again, let me just kind of go through each one, and then we'll talk through each one in a little bit more depth. But this one is essentially about how for businesses to get the benefits of digital transformation, they can't do it with the OT environment in a silo. So regardless of whether the cybersecurity team wants them to or not, the business is going to be driving to gain that competitive advantage. And and while the advantages are great from digital transformation, the soft underbelly of digital risk needs to be cared for. The second is a remote and heterogeneous workforce. And this is not a new trend, but it is becoming an increasing disruptor as third parties from the OEMs and remote engineers need to get access to systems, creating risk. The third is increase of newly discovered ICS vulnerabilities and exposures. And originally, I said, well, I should use the word explosion. But when you see the data, it's not an explosion of ICS vulnerabilities and exposures, but really a steady increase over time. And given the nature of these environments and the limited patching cycles, this is a risk that is increasing that can disrupt and provide a risk to safety and availability of the infrastructure. Fourth is around emerging cellular connectivity for OT. And what I'm talking about here is LTE and 5G. A lot of people have been saying it's coming for a long time. Well, a lot of data suggests that it is coming, and I want to share with you some thoughts there. And then finally, ransomware expanding to siegeware, which we haven't seen a lot of yet, but I view as one of the big existential risks that need to be cared for.